Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process to turn off the green light on your Android device. So usually on Android, when you're accessing your microphone or your camera, in the top right corner right beside your battery, you will be finding a green light. So if you're wondering how to turn it off, you may just head over and follow up these steps. So first of all, if you're using any kind of application that uses your camera, so you just need to clear it up from the recent application that is possible that should completely turn off the green light on your Android phone. Or if not that, what you can do is you can go over to your settings of your device and you can revoke the app permissions. So you can go over and find the option for privacy and tap on it, security or privacy. And once you find the settings, you can go over to the option for camera or microphone and you can go over and uh, turn off the settings for such applications. So you can select Instagram if Instagram is using it, and you can select the option for don't allow. Once you do so, the camera permission won't be accessed by the following application that has access currently. And when you open up the Instagram application, uh, you won't be getting the green dot in the top right corner until you give the permission again for the following application. You can just go off and do so. You can revoke the app's access from the list of applications that have access to camera or your microphone permission. And apart from that, what you can do is you can disable access for your camera access completely just by going over to privacy and security, and that should do it. So that is it, everybody. You may follow up this process for that. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and permission video.